Hello dear learners, this is Anjana Borua, student teacher, City Commerce Girls High School, Chattogram. I would like to welcome you in our online classes arranged by City Commerce Girls High School, Chattogram. I hope all of you are very fine by the grace of Almighty God. I am also so. First of all, I want to give you thanks to all because you have submitted the first assignment successfully, except 3 to 4%. I have contact with them and ensured that they will submit the assignment. Okay, thank you. I will request you to submit the assignments not only within the date but also within that time, that is 9 am to 10 am. It will be helpful for the teachers. Okay dear learners, today we will start with a new lesson, a new topic. Before starting our today's lesson, I want to recall our previous class. In our previous class, we discussed about Jason's daily routine. You notice that in his daily routine there was not enough time for his recreation, but it is necessary for a person to get the scope of recreation. There are various types of recreation. There are many ways where from where we can get enjoyment, entertainment, such as watching TV, playing games in computer or in the playground, go outside for walking, playing football or another games in the field, gossiping with friends, chatting on internet. Most popular and most important thing is that I think traveling is an interesting part of recreation. I think I enjoy traveling. I think all of you also enjoy traveling. Okay dear learners, yes, today we will discuss, we will read about traveling by train, which was enjoyed by Jason. Okay, today we will start with lesson 4, page 57, traveling by train 1. Okay dear learners, take your EFT book, English, that means English for today book, and open at the page 57, that is lesson 4, traveling by train 1, part 1. You can see that in the book that is noticed as an listening task. That's why you will not get the text in your EFT book. I will read it out for you for 2 times. You will try to understand or try to listen the text attentively. So let us start our today's text, that is an listening test. Okay, traveling by train, part 1. The school is closed for summer. Jason and his younger sister Julie have finished their half-yearly exams. Now they have nothing but to watch TV and chat to their friends online. They are getting bored staying indoors. Their parents have noticed this, so they have decided to give a wonderful surprise to the children. And when they announced it, Jason and Julie could not believe it. They were going to see their grandparents in the village by train. Okay dear learners, I think you have listened the text carefully. For your better understanding, I am reading it out once again. The school is closed for summer. Jisan and his younger sister Julie have finished their half-yearly exams. Now they have nothing but to watch TV and chat to their friends online. They are getting bored staying indoors. Their parents have noticed this, so they have decided to give a wonderful surprise to the children. And when they announced it, Jason and Julie could not believe it. They were going to see their grandparents in the village by train. Okay, dear learners, I think you have listened or heard the text very carefully, and you have understood what the text wants to say, convey the message. Look at your EFT book. You will see that there are some multiple choices. You have to take out the right answer. I will solve it for you, but I will not write the question, but only I will write the answers. Okay, dear learners, take your notebook and look at the EFT book and try to copy the answers. Okay, first one is the school is closed for. The options are winter, summer and autumn. Okay, the answer will be, take the best answer. 1. The answer will be summer. Number 2. The question is, Julie is Jason's sister. Julie is dash. Julie is Jason's dash sister. The options are older, younger or cousin. The answer will be B, younger. The third question is, Jason and Julie have finished their dash exams. The options are annual, first terminal, second terminal. The answer will be B, first terminal. Number 4, the question is, Jason and Julie chat online. This means they talk to their friends dash. Options are on the internet, on the telephone, in the classroom. The answer will be option A, on the internet. Number 4, option A, on the internet. Question number 5. Jason and Julie are getting bored. The getting bored is underlined. The underlined words mean. The options are making friends, becoming angry, feeling tired. The answer will be option C, feeling tired. Question number 5. The answer will be option C, feeling tired. Okay, the next one, number 6. Jason and Julie are getting bored because dash. The options are, they are staying in the house, they are staying inside their closed room. Number C, they are busy talking to their friends. The answer will be option A. Number 6, option A, they are staying in the house. The next and last one is question number 7. What was the wonderful surprise to Jisun and Julie? The options are their second term exams were over. Number B, they were going to see their grandparents. Option C, they did not like to go to the village. The answer of this question will be option B. They were going to see their grandparents. Question number 7. Answer option B. They were going to see their grandparents. Okay, dear learners, I think you have written the answers from the board. From this lesson, you can this lesson will help you to write something about something about traveling by a train. That's why you have to read this lesson very attentively. Okay, dear learners, I will go to the next lesson. It is also related to the this part, traveling by train, part 2. Okay, this is that will be lesson 5, page 59, traveling by train, part 2. Before starting this lesson, we have to be introduced with the new vocabulary. That will help this new the meaning of this new vocabulary will help you to understand the passage clearly. Okay, let us discuss about the new vocabularies. First one is vocabulary. First one is departure. First one is departure, act of leaving a place or plane, train, leaving a place at a particular time. Okay, first one is departure. That means that act of leaving a place, especially for the plane and trains. That means that plane and train leaving a place at a particular time. Okay, the next word is empty. Empty, it means that containing nothing or no one. Empty means containing nothing or no one. The last one is printout. Printout means to produce a document from a computer in printed form. So printout means produce a document. That means we as usually call it hard copy. That means produce a document from a computer in printed form. Okay, we have introduced with three new vocabulary that will we will get in our in the passage traveling by train part 2. Okay, now it's time to read the passage. Okay, so dear learners, open your EFT book at page 59. Okay, let us start the reading the text. Jishan, Julie and their parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arif Khan, got into a first-class compartment at Kamalapur railway station. It was Devanganj bound Tista Express. The train left at 8 o'clock. Jishan saw that the departure time on the big timetable at the station was 7:30. However, the train was running quite fast. The children sat by the window beside their parents. The compartment was half empty. Yesterday, Julie downloaded a beautiful poem on a train journey by Robert Louis Stevenson. She took a printout of the poem. Now, while looking out of the windows, she found similarities between the poem and real scenery. She took out the poem and began to read. Okay, dear learners, I think you have followed my reading. You have also read with me. Now you can see that in below the passage there are 6 questions, and now I will try to solve these questions for you. Okay, dear learners, take your notebook again and write the answers. I will not write the questions on the board. I will write only the answers. So listen to me attentively and follow me attentively. Okay, the first question is where all the seats in the compartment taken. Where all the seats in the compartment taken. The first question. Answers. Okay, first one is where all the seats in the compartment taken. No. All the half of the compartments was taken. Question number 2. Where did Jishan sit? The answer is Jishan sat by the side of the window beside his parents. So the answer is Jishan sat by the side of the window beside his parents. Okay, dear learners, question number 3. Where was the train going? going. The train was going Devanganj. The train was going Devanganj. Question number 4. Did the train leave Kamalapur station late or on time? The answer is the train left. The train left Kamalapur station late. The train left Kamalapur station late. Okay. Question number 5. Where did Julie get the poem from? Julie got the poem from internet. Julie got the poem from internet. Question number 6 and last one. What was Julie doing from her seat? Julie was looking outside Julie was looking outside and enjoying the sceneries. So the answer is Julie was looking outside and enjoying the sceneries. Okay, dear learners, I think you have written the answers. That's all for today. I think this today's lesson or today's class will help you to write the assignment given to you for the third week that you will have to submit in the next week. So we will meet again in our next class. Till then you will be fine at home and will stay at home. Okay, thank you.